So in this EQ Bank tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to share your referral link with someone here on EQ Bank. So once EQ Bank is opened up on the main dashboard screen here, go to the top right and press on the three horizontal lines. Once you're on this page right here at the top, it says refer and earn up to $500. Go ahead and select that. It'll then bring you to this screen right here where you can go ahead and invite a friend. They deposit $100, you both get $20. And you can repeat this if you want. You can also go and read the terms and conditions as well. You can also scroll down and find your QR code, so someone can just scan the QR code, and that kind of acts as a referral link as well. And if you just want to go to the bottom and share your actual link, you can go to the bottom, press on share on invite link, and then proceed that way with the sharing of your referral code. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to share your referral link with people on EQ Bank. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.